بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
كافها يا عين صاد.
Kaf ha ya ain sad.
ذكر رحمة ربك عبده زكريا.
This is an account of the mercy of your Lord to his servant Zechariah.
إذ نادى ربه نداء خفيا.
When he cried to his Lord in secret,
قال رب إني وهن العظم مني واشتعل الرأس شيبا ولم أكن بدعائك رب شقيا.
he said, Lord, my bones have grown feeble, and my head is glistening with age, yet never have my prayers to you, my Lord, been unfruitful.
وإني خفت الموالي من ورائي وكانت امرأتي عاقرا فهب لي من لدنك وليا.
I fear evil from my kinsman after I'm gone, and my wife is barren, so grant me an heir out of your special grace.
يرثني ويرث من آل يعقوب واجعله ربي رضيا.
One that might be my heir and the heir of the house of Jacob, and make him Lord, one that will be pleasing to you.
يا زكريا إنا نبشرك بغلام اسمه يحيى لم نجعل له من قبل سميا.
He was told, Zechariah, we bring you the good news of the birth of a son whose name shall be Yahya, John, one whose namesake we never created before.
قال رب أنى يكون لي غلام وكانت امرأتي عاقرا وقد بلغت من الكبر عتيا.
He said, My Lord, how can I have a boy when my wife is barren, and I have reached an extremely old age?
قال كذلك قال ربك هو علي هين وقد خلقتك من قبل ولم تك شيئا.
He answered, So shall it be. Your Lord says, It is easy for me, and then added, For beyond doubt I created you earlier when you were nothing.
قال رب اجعل لي آية قال آيتك ألا تكلم الناس 3 ليال سويا.
Zechariah said, Lord, grant me a sign. Said he, Your sign is that you shall not be able to speak to people for 3 nights, though you will be otherwise sound.
فخرج على قومه من المحراب فأوحى إليهم أن سبحوا بكرة وعشيا.
Thereupon Zechariah came out from the sanctuary and directed his people by gestures to extol his glory by day and by night.
يا يحيى خذ الكتاب بقوة وآتيناه الحكم صبيا.
O John, hold the book with all your strength. We had bestowed wisdom upon him while he was still a child.
وحنانا من لدنا وزكاة وكان تقيا.
And we also endowed him with tenderness and purity, and he was exceedingly pious.
وبرا بوالديه ولم يكن جبارا عصيا.
And cherishing to his parents, never was he insolent or rebellious.
وسلام عليه يوم ولد ويوم يموت ويوم يبعث حيا.
Peace be upon him the day he was born, and the day he will die, and the day he will be raised up alive.
واذكر في الكتاب مريم إذ انتبذت من أهلها مكانا شرقيا.
O Muhammad, recite in the book the account of Mary when she withdrew from her people to a place towards the east.
فاتخذت من دونهم حجابا فأرسلنا إليها روحنا فتمثل لها بشرا سويا.
And drew a curtain, screening herself from people, whereupon we sent to her our spirit, and he appeared to her as a well-shaped man.
قالت إني أعوذ بالرحمن منك إن كنت تقيا.
Mary exclaimed, I surely take refuge from you with the most compassionate Lord, if you are at all God-fearing.
قال إنما أنا رسول ربك لأهب لك غلاما زكيا.
He said, I'm just a message bearer of your Lord. I have come to grant you a most pure boy.
قالت أنى يكون لي غلام ولم يمسسني بشر ولم أك بغيا.
Mary said, How can a boy be born to me when no man has even touched me, nor have I ever been unchaste?
قال كذلك قال ربك هو علي هين ولنجعله آية للناس ورحمة منا وكان أمرا مقضيا.
The angel said, Thus shall it be. Your Lord says, It is easy for me, and we shall do so in order to make him a sign for mankind and a mercy from us. This has been decreed.
فحملته فانتبذت به مكانا قصيا.
Then she conceived him and withdrew with him to a far-off place.
فأجاءها المخاض إلى جذع النخلة قالت يا ليتني مت قبل هذا وكنت نسيا منسيا.
Then the birth pangs drove her to the trunk of a palm tree, and she said, Oh, would that I had died before this, and had been all forgotten.
فناداها من تحتها ألا تحزني قد جعل ربك تحتك سريا.
Thereupon the angel below her cried out, Grieve not, for your Lord has caused a stream of water to flow beneath you.
وهزي إليك بجذع النخلة تساقط عليك رطبا جنيا.
Shake the trunk of the palm tree towards yourself, and fresh and ripe dates shall fall upon you.
فكلي واشربي وقري عينا فإما ترين من البشر أحدا فقولي
Eat and drink and cool your eyes. And if you see any person, say to him, Verily I have vowed a fast to the most compassionate Lord, and so I shall not speak to anyone today.
فأتت به قومها تحمله قالوا يا مريم لقد جئت شيئا فريا.
Then she came to her people carrying her baby. They said, O Mary, you have committed a monstrous thing.
يا أخت هارون ما كان أبوك امرأ سوء وما كانت أمك بغيا.
O sister of Aaron, your father was not an evil man, nor was your mother an unchaste woman.
فأشارت إليه قالوا كيف نكلم من كان في المهد صبيا.
Thereupon Mary pointed to the child. They exclaimed, How can we speak to one who is in the cradle, a mere child?
قال إني عبد الله آتاني الكتاب وجعلني نبيا.
The child cried out, Verily, I'm Allah's servant. He has granted me the book and has made me a prophet.
وجعلني مباركا أينما كنت وأوصاني بالصلاة والزكاة ما دمت حيا.
And has blessed me wherever I might be, and has enjoined upon me prayer and zakah, purifying alms, as long as I live.
وبرا بوالدتي ولم يجعلني جبارا شقيا.
And has made me dutiful to my mother. He has not made me oppressive, nor bereft of God's blessings.
والسلام علي يوم ولدت ويوم أموت ويوم أبعث حيا.
Peace be upon me the day I was born, and the day I will die, and the day I will be raised up alive.